Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jim with JR Clocker on eBay. Today we have a Hermle 341-020A. This is a 45 centimeter or 17.72 inches. Anyway, this is new old stock, never been used, running like a champ. Really strong tick, chimes, does everything it's supposed to do, comes with a hand nut. Let me just show you there, it's chiming, comes with a hand nut. Anyway, I'm going to send this pendulum along. I think it's the right pendulum, but anyway, you can see it at our eBay store, JR Clocker. Thanks.